Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just finished coloring my hair. You can't really tell the color, but I wanted to try out this product that I was sent from Savani. This is their hair straightening brush. So I wanted to try this out on camera, first impression. So inside the box, let's see what we get inside of here. So you have the hair brush, hair straightening brush, and it comes in this bag. And this is what it looks like. Very pretty. I love this paint splatter. It has a power button, so on, and then up and down for the heat, and then a regular plug. All right, so it flashes off once you plug it in. Then you turn that, and right now it's at 360. I'm gonna turn it up to, it goes to 450, so I'm gonna put it on 430 for my hair. It comes with a heat protecting glove. So you put the glove on, and it has the name on it, Savani. And that way you can hold your hair, because your hair will be hot from that. But I normally don't use heat protecting gloves. And it comes with a little brush, and this, I'm assuming it's to clean out the actual straightening brush after you straighten your hair. And then there's a user guide. Tells you everything inside. And it tells you how to use it. So yeah, so I'm gonna let that heat up. It's still blinking. I think once it stops blinking, then that's when it's ready. So once it stops blinking, it is ready. So let me see. Oh, I could touch this. This part is like warm, so it's not really hot. The pins inside, which you can see those, is what's gonna be hot. So I'm gonna go ahead and start. I'm gonna start on a front piece so you guys can see how this works. So I'm just gonna take, this is about a large section of hair. This isn't, I'm not taking small sections like I would do if I was flat ironing my hair, because this is a straightening brush. So I'm gonna take a bigger section, and we're gonna see how it comes out. I mean, straighten the hair. I'm just trying to get it. Or I could get it at my roots more. And it says you can brush it anyway, whatever is suitable for your hair. So it straightened it. It's not like bone silky straight like what my flat iron would do, but this is cool enough for me to, you know, pull my hair up in a ponytail, which I'm going to do because I'm not flat ironing my hair. So you can see the difference. And that this is, my ends are blow dried, and the ends of this hair straight. So it works, and I could take big sections, which is good. So that means it shouldn't take me that long to run this through my hair like I would my flat iron. Only thing is you kind of get stuck like up here, but so far so good. I can get down with this. I could use this on weeks I don't want to straighten my hair with my flat iron, but I need my hair to have some straightness to it. Yeah, I wonder what it would do if I put this on 450. But I'm gonna leave it at 330. I mean 430. I'm not putting it up higher. Let me just get these ends. I will say this definitely worked better than that other straightening brush thing I had. This is pretty good. So let's do a side-by-side comparison. This side is blow dried, and this side is straightened with the flat iron. I mean the straightening brush. I like it. This would definitely help me, you know, do my hair when I just don't want to put a flat iron on it, but do my hair really quickly. Look at that. So let's finish. Now in the back section, I am not going to separate. I'm just going to go ahead and brush through it. So it doesn't do bone straight, but it's like enough for me to put my hair in a ponytail. You know, it's more manageable than with it being blow dried. So if you guys want to check this out, I will have this link down below. You guys can purchase it if you're interested in getting it. I like it. Again, it's not going to give you flat iron bone straight hair, but it does make it more manageable, as you can see. So it's, you know, my ends are more straight. It's still like a blow dry type look, but it's straighter. So that's pretty much it. I like it. That's my review. If you guys are interested in it, again, I will leave a link down below for you guys to check out the company and the hairbrush. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Make sure you stay positive and always smile. I will see you all in my next video. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye, guys.